So children, if we discuss about Rh negative, Rh factor, Rh negative mother and Rh positive fetus, that time, as I told you, suppose this is the placenta, okay, and here is the placental barrier. So that time, at the time of parturition, okay, parturition means when the fetus expelled out from the body, at that time, parturition time, this placenta gets to be destroyed. जब ये placenta break होती है बेटा, okay, when this placenta barrier breaks up, that time the slight mixing of blood takes place. Slight mixing of blood means Rh positive means protein is present, and Rh negative means protein is not present. So at that time, Rh antibody is present in the plasma of mother. Okay, are you getting my point? Rh antibody, antigen present on surface, it means baby is Rh positive, but antibody of Rh is present in mother blood. So these antibodies enters inside the fetal body. Are you getting my point? So inside the fetus, this is the body of fetus. ओके, फीटस के पास अब कुछ ऐसी आरबीसीज आ चुकी हैं जिनके पास क्या है, ब्लड में एंटीबॉडी है. सो दीज एंटीबॉडी स्टार्ट टू डिस्ट्रॉय RBC of fetus, normal RBC of fetus. So what will happen? The baby will suffer with jaundice and slight anemia. But this can be curable in first baby. But if the second pregnancy takes place, that time there is a very less chances of the survival of baby. Why is it so? Again I am showing the same thing. Fetus, placenta, mother placenta, and it's a barrier. Okay, please try to understand it. Now in the second case, what happened, that mother is already having what, antibodies, and these antibodies are directly enters inside the baby. Why children I am telling you this thing? This barrier is not that much permeable, but these antibodies, Rh antibodies, are IgG body, immunoglobulin bodies are there, and these bodies can pass on from placenta of mother टू बेबी. सो दीज, अब एंटीबॉडी डायरेक्टली फीटस के अंदर चले जा रही हैं. सो दैट टाइम यहाँ पर ही ये बेबी की ग्रोथ से पहले ही आरबीसी को डिस्ट्रॉय करना शुरू कर देगी. Okay, so that's why what happened, that in a second pregnancy the baby will not survive, okay, in second pregnancy. But nowadays this can be curable. How it can be curable? There is a one kind of medicine is available that is for the prevention of this problem. It is known as anti-D, because you all know D is the gene responsible for this, anti-D, or another name is RHOGUM. Okay, this medicine name is RHOGUM. So these injections are very effectful, and just after the birth of baby, this injection can be given, by which the antibodies can't be produced, okay, inside the mother body. Are you getting that much? So this is about the detection. How it can be detected? It can be detected by the blood test. Either mother is Rh positive or Rh negative. It's a very common type of blood testing. Okay, so these are the symptom. You can see if the baby is gets to be this factor. Okay, total body swelling up takes place, respiratory distress, circulatory collapse, because you know RBCs are, number of RBCs are totally destroyed, or न्यूरोलॉजिकल सिंड्रोम इन एक्सट्रीमली जॉन्डाइज्ड इन्फेंट्स, जिनको बहुत ज़्यादा जॉन्डिस हो जाता है बेटा, दैट इज़ अ वन सिचुएशन, कैर्निकटरस. ओके, सो इट अकर्स सेवरल डेज आफ्टर डिलीवरी एंड इज कैरेक्टराइज्ड इनिशियली बाय loss of mororeflex, poor feeding and decreased activity. These are the symptoms we can see in newborn babies. Hemolytic disease of the newborn, and this is known as the erythroblastosis fetalis. The name of this disease is Please remember this thing. Erythroblastosis fetalis. I hope that is clear. If you have any query regarding this, please send me. Thank you, children.